Hello everyone, my name is Richa Mahajan, Assistant Professor from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Jagannath University, Jaipur. Today, my topic is digital photographs. Digital photographs refer to images that are captured using digital cameras or other digital imaging devices. Unlike traditional film-based photography, which uses a photographic film to record images, digital photography uses electronic images sensors to capture and store visual information in a digital format. Digital photographs are typically stored as files on memory cards or other storage devices within a camera. The digital format allows for easy viewing, editing, and sharing of images using various devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets. Advancements in digital photography have led to significant improvements in image quality, resolution, and the ability to manipulate and enhance photographs using image editing software. Digital cameras offer a wide range of features and settings that allow photographers to control various aspects of the image, such as exposure, focus, white balance, and many more. Digital photographs can be saved in different file formats such as JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group (PNG), Portable Network Graphics (TIFF), Tagged Image File Format, and RAW. JPEG is the most commonly used format for storing and sharing digital photographs due to its high compression capabilities, which reduce the file size while maintaining reasonable image quality. Next is steps involved in printing of digital photographs. The process of printing digital photographs typically involves the following subject. Image selection. Choose the digital photograph you want to print from your computer or storage device. Ensure that the image has a sufficient resolution for the desired print size. Editing and enhancements. If desired, use photo editing software to make adjustment to the image, such as cropping, adjusting brightness, contrast, applying filters, or removing imperfections. Color management. Calibrate your monitor and configure color settings in your editing software to ensure accurate color representation. This step helps maintain consistency between the on-screen image and the printed version. Image sizing and resolution. Determine the desired print size and set the appropriate resolution. Higher resolutions generally result in sharper prints. Consult the printing service on your printer's specification for recommended resolutions. File format. Save the edited images in a suitable file format for printing, such as JPEG or TIFF. Consider using a lossless file format like TIFF for higher quality prints, especially if you plan to further process the image in the future. Printer selection. Choose a printer capable of producing high-quality photos print. Inkjet printers are commonly used for photo printing due to their ability to handle a wide color gamut and produce vibrant prints. Paper selection. Select a suitable photo paper that matches your preferences and desired print quality. Photo papers come in various finishes such as glossy, matte, or satin. Each finish Each finish provides a different look and feel to the final print. Print settings. Configure print settings on your printer or within the printing software. Adjust parameters like paper type, print quality, color management options, and paper size to match your requirements. Print preview. Use the print preview function to check how the image will appear on paper. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the desired composition and appearance. Next is printing. Initiating the printing process by sending the image file to the printer. Ensure the printer is correctly loaded with the chosen photo paper. Allow the printer to complete the printing process. Drying and finishing. After printing, let the photo dry completely to avoid smudging or damaging the print. Consider using drying racks or specialized tools to speed up the drying process. Once dry, handle the print with care to avoid fingerprints or scratches. Trimming and mounting optional. This is the optional choice. If desired, trim the print to remove any unwanted borders or white space. You can also mount the print on a mat or frame it for display purposes. Next is manipulation. Manipulation of digital photographs. Manipulation of digital photographs refers to the process of altering, enhancing, or modifying images using softwares, tools, or techniques. Here are some common techniques used in manipulation of digital photographs. Number one is cropping. Cropping involves selecting and removing unwanted parts of an image to improve composition or focus on specific elements. Adjusting brightness and contrast. This technique allows you to modify the overall brightness and contrast of an image to enhance or correct its exposure levels. Color correction and white balance. Color correction involves adjusting the colors in an image to achieve a desired look or correct any color cast. White balance adjustment ensures that the whites appear neutral and that colors are accurate. Retouching. Retouching involves removing imperfections or blemishes from a photograph. This can include removing spots, wrinkles, or acne on a person's face or removing unwanted objects from the background. Sharpening. Sharpening is used to enhance the clarity and details in an image, making it appear sharper and more defined. Filters and effects. Filters and effects. Various filters and effects can be applied to alter the mood or style of an image. This includes applying black and white or sepia tones, adding vignettes, or using artistic effects like painting or watercolor. Adding or removing elements. Advanced manipulation techniques allow for adding or removing elements from an image. This can involve adding objects, people, or text to an image or removing unwanted objects or distractions. Next is image stitching. Image stitching involves combining multiple images to create a panoramic view. This is commonly used in landscape photography and architectural photography. HDR, High Dynamic Range. HDR techniques combine multiple exposures of the same scene to capture a wider range of light and detail. This technique can produce images with rich tonal range and enhanced detail in both shadows and highlights. Image composing. Image compositing. Compositing involves merging multiple images together to create a single composite image. This technique is often used in creative and conceptual photography. Next is choice of paper. When it comes to printing digital photographs, there are several factors to consider when choosing the right paper. The choice of paper can greatly impact the overall look and feel of your printed images. Here are some key factors to consider. Surface finish. Paper comes in various surface finishes such as glossy, matte, and satin. Each finish offers a different aesthetic and texture. Glossy paper tends to provide a vibrant, reflective surface, while matte paper offers a non-reflective, smooth finish. Satin paper falls in between, offering a subtle sheen. Consider the desired look and feel of your photographs when choosing the surface finish. Paper weight. Paper weight is measured in grams per square meter (GSM) and determines the thickness and sturdiness of the paper. Higher GSM indicates a thicker and more substantial paper. For professional quality prints, consider using heavyweight paper around 200 to 300 GSM as it provides durability and a premium feel. Archival quality. If you want your printed photographs to stand the test of time without significant fading or degradation, look for the paper that are labeled as archival or acid-free. Archival quality papers are specifically designed to resist yellowing and deterioration, ensuring your prints last longer. Color accuracy. Some papers are specifically formulated to reproduce color accurately. These papers are often referred to as color managed or color accurate papers. If color accuracy is crucial for your prints, consider using these print papers to ensure your images look as intended. Brand and reviews. Consider reputable paper brands that are well regarded for their print quality. Look for reviews or recommendations from photographers or printing professionals to get insights into the performance and characteristics of different papers. Next is choice of printers. When it comes to choosing a printer for digital photography, there are several factors to consider. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Print quality. Look for a printer that produces high quality print with sharp details, accurate colors, and smooth gradations. Consider the printer's resolution, ink droplet size, and color management capabilities. Print size. Determine the maximum print size you need. Some printers are designed for small format prints, while others can handle larger sizes like A3 or even wide format prints. Choose a printer that meets your specific print size requirements. Ink type. There are two main types of inkjet printers: dye-based and pigment-based. Dye-based inks tend to produce vibrant colors but may be more susceptible to fading over time. Pigment Pigment-based inks offer better longevity and resistance to fading, making them a preferred choice for archival prints. Connectivity. Consider the connectivity options provided by the printer. Look for the options like USB, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi, which can make it easier to connect and print from different devices such as computers, smartphones, or memory cards. Brand and reviews. Choose a reputable printer brand known for its print quality and reliability. Read reviews and seek recommendations from photographers or printing professionals to gain insights into the performance and durability of different printer models. Print speed. If you require fast printing, consider printers with high print speeds. However, keep in mind that faster printing speeds may sometimes compromise print quality. Cost. Evaluate the upfront cost of the printer as well as the ongoing costs of ink and paper. Sometimes printers with lower initial cost may have a higher ongoing expenses. So consider the long-term cost associated with the printer. Last is additional features. Some printers offer additional features like built-in color calibration, borderless printing, or direct printing from memory cards. Assesses these features based on your specific needs and preferences. Thank you so much.